Hi, Loni Stark from Adobe. I'm here with Matt Carlson from Shutterfly. You're the Director of Engineering. It's interesting, you're using both the digital asset management piece as well as the web experience management. Share how you're using these two pieces of technologies to really support the Shutterfly business.
The digital asset management piece is actually a part of what we call our content production pipeline. And so, as opposed to more traditional retailers, even though we are somewhat traditional, I think, content is actually a huge part of our business and actually something akin to a retailing SKU in traditional e-commerce. And so the creation of content and the efficient creation of content is a huge deal to us. And so by bridging the Creative Suite with the digital asset management application, we're able to make that pipeline more efficient and get the assets more quickly into our applications, our runtime applications. Quite frankly, we've cut our production time almost in half. We're able to integrate somewhat seamlessly via plugins from the Creative Suite, in particular InDesign and Adobe Illustrator, into the DAM, run workflows that are automated. Previously, if you were to say to create a book that would have 10 different form factors, we'd do that manually. Now we create one form factor and auto-generate all of the rest. Not only that, we're able to auto-preview via the DAM and some other custom tooling, but all of that was impossible until we adopted this technology.
How are you using web content management to drive more awareness of what Shutterfly has to offer?
So right now, I would say we're sort of in the infancy of adopting web content management. Our initial foray into the space is through our storytelling site, which is a part of the overall Shutterfly.com site. Through that, we're trying to drive customer awareness in terms of all the possible things that you can do in terms of creating books and cards and telling stories through the Shutterfly technologies, as well as using Omniture Analytics in order to help convert customers through that experience into the order pipeline.
How do you think the technology that you're innovating on is helping to support the Shutterfly business long term?
Probably no big surprise. We're investing heavily in mobile, and we're looking at that very closely. It's an interesting problem for a company like ourselves, who, not so much from the imaging and photo point of view, because obviously that's exploded, but more so from the content point of view, which we do think is part of what we do really well. But transferring the fidelity of those designs to various devices is an interesting problem to solve. We're looking at what sort of tooling in conjunction with the Creative Suite is going to make sense to scale layouts in and out that'll then adapt to the various screens and devices that we're trying to deliver to.
Well, thank you, Matt, for all your time and some really interesting advice, insights, and also your partnership with Adobe. And it's great to
My pleasure.
talk
Thank
to
you.
you.